Hey guys, today's video is a quick glueless wig install on this kinky straight wig from ISEE Hair. And when I say quick install, y'all, I really mean quick because y'all, I didn't have to do much to this wig at all. It came pre-plucked, the knots were already bleached. This is how it looks coming straight out of the box. I can literally just add some makeup to this lace and slap it on. This wig is constructed really well. It comes with an adjustable strap that has that adjustable clamp so that it fits any head size. This really keeps the wig secured, especially if you want to wear it without gluing it down like I did. And trust me, you guys, it is not going anywhere. So let's get into this install. This is me with a half done bald cap. Y'all know how much I hate the bald cap method, so I just decided to spray down the front of my wig cap exactly where the lace will be so that the cap doesn't show through the lace and so that I can keep my edges. And to spray down the wig cap, I just used my Ebon Wonder Lace hairspray. I did decide to re-bleach the knots just to make sure they were non-existent, and I also did a black rinse on the hair to make it look darker and healthier. The texture of this wig is kinky. It looks very natural on me. The hair is super soft and fluffy, and it has a natural shine to it. Before putting the wig on, I make sure to adjust the adjustable band so that it fits tight enough to where it won't move at all. I'm also adding some more makeup to the lace to get it to blend in perfectly into my skin. The makeup I like to use when it comes to tinting my lace now is the Ruby Kisses in the number 16. I just find that that one blends into my skin the best now. And as y'all can see, or should I say can't see the lace, it blends in so well into my arm. So I just knew it was going to blend in perfectly when I put it on my head. I was so amazed by how good this wig looked. I just could not stop looking at the lace. It just melted into my skin so well. And mind you, I did little to no customization to the lace. I did not go back and re-pluck it or anything. The only thing I did was re-bleach the knots and added a black rinse to the wig. I just really like how natural the hairline looked on me and how it was plucked. Wig, wear, lace, wear. Y'all, I didn't even cut the lace yet, but it looks like I did. This is literally the best lace for a glueless wig install. I just could not get over how good it looked. I wanted the top of this wig to be as flat as possible, so I did go in with my hot comb to achieve that. I always like to use my Murray's beeswax first, then my hot comb. The beeswax does pretty much the same thing a wax stick does, which is keeping any flyaways down and adding a natural shine to the hair, but I just prefer using the beeswax compared to just a regular wax stick. The next thing I'm doing is just trying to find the lace to cut the edges off so that it looks super natural. Y'all really can't see what I'm cutting, and honestly, I can't see neither. I didn't cut a lot of the lace off, just the edges to give it more of a natural look. When I'm done with that, I just take more makeup to make the middle part look clean and sharp. And something I forgot to mention earlier is that I did end up over bleaching the knots. To conceal that, I just grabbed my root touch-up spray that I got from the beauty supply store and I sprayed it on the roots that would be showing, and it covered it up really well. You cannot tell me this is not my hair. I just love a low maintenance wig like this to where I can put it on and take it off with ease. This is a true glueless wig install. I would say this is a great protective style, especially for the natural girls out there. You don't have to add no hairspray, no lace glue, foam, none of that extra stuff. All of that is definitely optional. I also didn't do anything to the hair other than flat ironing the top. I thought about straightening the hair, but I didn't want it to lose its natural texture, so I just left it alone. And as y'all can see, this hair is very full. I do have a small head and it definitely swallows my face. I think eventually if I don't give away this wig to one of my friends or sell it, I will add layers to it so that it frames my face a little better. Lengthwise, this hair comes all the way down to my butt. I am 5'6", I think, or 5'7", and this wig is 26 inches long. This is definitely a true 26-inch wig. That's all what I did to install this wig. You guys can see here what I meant when I said it swallows my face, but I still love this wig. It definitely makes me feel like a Nubian princess and also like a toddler in her mom's wig. I'm just kidding, but I wish you guys could see this wig in person because it is so beautiful, and I think I am now in love with kinky straight wigs. But that's really it, you guys. I'm just trying to decide how I'm going to wear it for the day. All of the wig details will be in my description box with a discount code if you guys are interested in trying out this wig. And if y'all do end up trying out this wig, come back to this video and let me know how you like it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fake. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better.